Welcome to the world of Indian currency. Today, we are going to explore Indian rupees, learn about its history, and discover how it helps us in daily life. So, let's get started. First thing first, what exactly is currency? Currency is money that we use to buy things. Just like different countries have their own language, they also have their own currencies. In India, we use rupees. But do you know the symbol for rupees? Let's look at it. Now, let's talk about the money we use today. Indian currency comes in both coins and notes. Coins can be 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, while notes are available in both smaller and larger amounts. 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees. Each note has a watermark, security threads, color-changing ink, and portrait of famous Indian leader Mahatma Gandhi. Let's take a quick journey back in time and learn how people used coins to exchange values instead of bartering. Around 600 BCE, Indian introduced the first coins made of silver. Over the years, different dynasties and empires created their own coins. Today, rupees has evolved from those ancient times with the Reserve Bank of India taking charge of issuing the currency. But why do we need currency in our daily lives? Think about it. When you go to a shop to buy your favorite ice cream or toy, you use rupees to pay for them. Currency makes it easy to trade, save, and manage our money. It also helps us understand the value of things. For instance, if a toy costs 500 rupees, you know how much you need to save up. Good job, learners! That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such content.